Photo off muna, photo off. What would I do without your smile now? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm in your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy. You know I hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win, 'cause I gave you all of me, and you gave me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around to every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my love to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when you submit, 'cause I gave you all of me. You give me all of you. Oh, give me all of you. 'Cause in the deep of me, but showing heart, risking it all to return. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, my love to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win, 'cause I gave you all of me, and you gave me all of you. Oh. Thank you.
all the good. Oh, the door's closed, don't you want me? Coming by my side, I will fight and death. Oh, fight and death.
To, para sa ano, sa kapatid ko, team song nila to eh, yung boyfriend niya. Pangako mo sa'kin, hindi magbabago. Ngunit, bakit nagkaganito? Ako'y iyong nilisan, wala man lang paalam. Ano ba ang naging dahilan? Ako ba'y maghihintay pa? Ngunit nalaman mo, pagmamahal ko ay di magbabago. Maghihintay na lamang ba ang puso kong nangangamba sa iyong mga pangako? Hanggang pangako na lang yan. Ano po yun? Salamat.
Thank you, Jerry. Once again, Jerry, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
The time was right for us to say we take our time and live our life together day by day. We wish
may babati daw sa'yo.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Melay, happy birthday. Alam mo dati nung wala pa akong anak, yan ang prinsesa ko. Ngayon, 18 ka na. Ang masasabi ko lang, nasabi na rin ng lahat, huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Parang mo na. Ang regalo ko sa'yo, yan, tsinelas. Bakit? Kasi gusto ko malayo yung marating mo. Pantulog, kasi gusto ko mangarap ka ng malaking malaki. At pagigilan mo yung buhay mo. Mahal na mahal kita. Ingatan mo yung prinsesa namin. Ganyan lang.
Picture pa po, mami. Nakaharap ko yan. Okay po.
May you have more birthday to come and may you have more blessings to come. Simulan mo na ang pagpapakaya. Pero masarap kumain. Bag, ang gift ko sa'yo. Kasi nakita ko nung isang araw, ano ka, ayan. Marami kang ilalagay na pera, kaya yung binili ko sa'yo. Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Maluto Minar.
Picture mo na, ma'am. Ma'am, picture mo na, ma'am. Ma'am.
Next in line, we have a close family friend, Mrs. Lani Salvanera, to give her gift.
And po, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Birthday, Melay.
Ma'am, picture lang po, ma'am. Isa lang po. Isa pa po.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have her teacher since grade 2 and grade 3.
Happy birthday. May boses pa ba? Bakit? Ito ang aking gift sa iyo. Kasi lagi ka sa beach. Ito ang regalo sa iyo. Dapat lang mag-islim ka para lang kita katawan mo. At tulad na sinabi ng iba, ubusin mo na ang iyong pag-aaral. Umunang, unahin ang yan. Okay?
Ma'am, picture po. Lalabas na natin yung gift.
Gift ko sa'yo ay watch. Para hindi ka nalilate sa pagpasok.
It's an alarm clock.
Time is gold, kaya enjoy your life to the full.
Ma'am, tingin mo, ma'am. Isa pa po. Isa pa.
Happy birthday! Alam kong happy ka, lalo na't katabi ng inspiration sa buhay. Alam mo, kinikilig ako sa inyong dalawa. Pero, ay hindi rin ako makapaniwala na 18 ka na. Siguro kung natatandaan mo, noong maliit ka pa, maliit pa rin mo si Bidya. Nakita ko yung, ano ba yung scooter, natatandaan mo yun? Hiningi ko sa iyo yun. Sabi ko, Kelay, Bidya na lang to, pwede? Opo, sige po. Sabi ko, iuwi na namin to, opo. Ang bait-bait mo nga. Sa ibang bata, hindi basta ibibigay yun. Eh, daw ko nakita ang kabaitan ng batang ito. Eh ngayon, mabait pa rin. Kitang-kita naman. At saka, pareho kami walang ganang kumain. Anyway, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, panatili mo yung ganyang ugali na hindi ko malilimutan din. At yun sa ibang na nakakasaksi na kabaitan mo, stay beautiful and healthy. At lagi mo sunurin ka ng mama at papa. At lahat ng mga sinasabi nilang magaganda, yun ang laging may isipin. Para rin sa iyo at para rin sa mga anak na naandyan. Okay, inuulit ko sa iyo, happy birthday. At sa iyo, congrats. Buong birthday celebration ito na nandiyan ka sa tabi niya, hindi ka umaalis. Diyan ka lang ha. Alalayan mo si Melay.
Tingin po, ma'am.
Kaya yun ang binigay ko sa'yo para may kapartner si Mickey Mouse. Oo. Kahit itin ka na lang ko, may pagka-childish ka pa rin. At maigit sa lahat, botante ka na. Boboto ka na. Okay.
Ma'am, picture po. One.
Ang nanay, happy birthday!
Seryoso. Alam ko, kahit hindi ito wish, magiging masigasi ka lalo sa pag-aaral mo ngayon. Kasi, may inspirasyon ka na. Ang gift ko sa'yo, Mira. Tiko niya!
I got a vision now, so